Hi guys, today I am going to demonstrate that how we can pass Tailwind classes as props, and this technique is very helpful when we are making a website which contains a lot of components. So I have implemented a fresh React project and just added Tailwind CSS in it. So I will run the dev server and see nothing has been added here. First of all, I will give this div a class of width full, height, screen, and bg zinc 900. Now I can't see the text, so I will give it text white. So this initial setup is ready. Nothing has been added in the index or anything. So in the source folder I will make a new folder named components, and I will create a component named child.jsx, and now I'm going to include this component here. So it has been imported automatically, and here I can see that. Now I will first of all give it flex, justify center, and items center, so that everything is centered on the page like this. Now what I'm going to do is I will return a div, and I will give it height and width of 60 and background maybe red 200, so we can see that. So this is the div. So what I want to do is I will have some data over here inside of the parent component like this, and I will use this data and map over it and return these child components, which is actually a div, each time. And after that I will send Tailwind classes through props, and then I will show you that how you can dynamically change this class or any other class, but I will show it on the background color. It would be simple to understand. So I'm going to create some data here, and I will basically give the class names of background colors. So let's do pg red 400, pg blue 400, pg green 400, and bg slate 400. This has to be a string. So these are the 4 elements of this array, and now I'm going to map over this. So I will remove this and data dot map. Each time I will get an item and its index, and I will return this child component. So it's looking like this. First of all I will give this some gap. So these 4 divs are being returned. So now what I want to do is that I don't want it to have this fixed color of pg red 200, and I want this to take these colors, which I will be sending through props. So I will create a prop named maybe bg color, and I will send the item here. Why item? Because this thing is a single array item, and I am getting that item over here when I am using map over this data. So I am sending this exact item inside the prop, which will go to this child element. So I can receive that bg color over here, bg color, like this. So now I want to use that bg color in place of this fixed color. So first of all I will remove this, and then the next step is that I have to remove these double quotes from here, and I have to wrap all the class names inside backticks, and that too inside of JSX brackets like this. So first of all, JSX brackets, inside that backticks, and inside that the class names. Now if I give that PG200 default, it will be behaving exactly the same as it was before with the double quotes. So now I have to use this PG color class over here. So I will remove this. I will add a $sign and curly braces. So this is known as template literals, and now I can give that BG color class over here. And when I do this, so this BG color, which was exactly this color, this color, this color, this color, 4 different times. When this child component is being rendered, these colors are going into this item. This item is going as props into the child component, and that is being received here in BG color, and I am using that BG color over here. Also note that I have added a space over here, otherwise the Tailwind won't work, like we have to add space after every class. Now when I go to the website, see, red, blue, green and zinc, I guess it was, no, slate, all the colors are being applied. Also I want to add something, that if we do something like this, that I keep the data as this, red 400, blue, green and slate. And now I want to do something like BG dash over here, and then apply this part of the class. This is not a complete Tailwind class, it is a part of the class, and I am applying other part over here. Now when I save it and reload the page, it is also getting applied. So it is not necessary to keep it like entire Tailwind class over here. When using the template literals, it will combine this thing because it is written without space, you can see that. So it will take the BG dash from here and the remaining property which is coming from here. So if it is 400 like here in each case, so I can remove that 400 also, and I will add a dash 400 here, so it will also work. See, it will take this BG dash from here, dash 400 from here, and BG color from this red, blue, green, slate. So this is a very useful thing when we are making bigger websites and we have to pass a lot of data from one component to another. So this becomes very useful over there. So I hope that you guys have understood how to use Tailwind classes properly, sending props from the parent component to child components, and then using those Tailwind classes inside of another component. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.